Baka Mitai. Kodomo nanone. You mean, take it to sweet day. Usoka. Hetan Useni. Warene. Ego. Sita. You know. Dunia wane. I love you, Mom. Rokunia wanai. Uchipeta de hono mani pupukio. No dida. No di dushite.
But he said shit.
Sayonara ite. Dame
Dame!
Dame yo. Dame Dano yo. Antaka. Suki day. Sugi day. Wait, okay. Do you want? Oh, sorry. Oh, talking.
Demo!
Oh my god. Baka Mitai.
You timed that so well, oh my god.
Astro. Yeah. Sun is down. Freezing cold. That's how we already know. Winter is here. My dog could probably fucking. Life is a cage and death is the key. Okay, I'm not reading that.
No, you have to read.
So let's do this. Are you going to? Are you going to? V-Bucks, V-Bucks! I got bars from Mars, Mars from Karen's. V-Bucks, V-Bucks, V-Bucks. Tutu, ayo, going to eat that, eat that. Drop the bass, do-do-do-do-do. I need a bathroom on your mom. I'm in me mom, broom, broom. Astro? Yeah. Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. Winter's here. My dog would probably do it for a gooey bell. That's just all he know. He don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Whistle.
Oh my god.
I tried to show him. Yeah. Going for you with the pick and roll. Young left lane, he's in sickle mode. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Ooh, made it here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside when people they get me to loose. They jump out, boys, the sucky boys hop in our groups. The shit way too big when we pull up, give me the loot. What? Oh, what's off the Remy had a papoose? I don't know what that means. My own time to talk for news. 2 4-hour knockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the crew. Just like that, JP makes this public Jamba Juice different color cheese.
Jamba juice?
I'm so off tempo.
You were actually doing really well in the beginning.
Doing the Richard, we in all too deep. Playing for keeps, don't play us for weak. Doing the Richard, we all in too deep. Playing for keeps, don't play us for weak. The shit waiting for I don't follow shit. Stacy dead, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All these hoes made off records I produced. I might take all my exes and put all them in a group. Get my exes done. Okay. I'll just turn this function to. Fuck is Bonnaroo? I don't know. We're only halfway through.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm not. Oh. As we speak, I am contacting my secret network of spies across the USA. And your IP is being traced right now, so you better prepare for the storm, maggot. The storm that wipes out the pathetic little thing you call your life.
Oh my god.
No, Carl, there will be no cock and ball torture in my class.
Alright, Miss Fritz, I'm about to write a lo-fi EP. I don't know, Sheen. What if I'm just not meant to get cock and ball tortured?
Aw, Carl. You just have to wait. You'll find someone.
I just feel like there's no one in the world for me.